Alhamdulillah, we this year we've had two sessions. One was the Federation of Islamic Medical Associations meeting in Cape Town. So that was on Thursday and Friday. So that was quite attended by international delegates from about 40 some odd countries. And today and tomorrow we have the Islamic Medical Associations convention. So basically, the convention is something that we've held for the last 40 some odd years, as long as the organization has been in existence. We get together all these delegates from different parts of the country and have multiple topics to discuss, and most of them is for CDE points. So today's was quite a lovely session. Plenary was focusing a lot more on marriage and the importance of marriage and the importance of the couples of understanding each other, not blaming each other. So it was a phenomenal session this morning. Then at about 11 o'clock, I chaired another session that was 4 parts to that session. One was but students, and I think it's so important today that the students participate in activities like this, because they get an opportunity to interact with the different senior people in the different professions and different specialities, and it's a great opportunity to network. But those students, what impressed me is that they got involved in the wellness programs that the branch in Cape Town has been holding and hosting, and they did some research and worked out the projects that they needed to participate in, or they did participate in. Focus on the elderly, and they did a fair amount of research, and picked up that the students, the elderly, appreciated the programs, blood pressure, blood sugar, and different types of audiology and that type of thing. So it was quite a nice first part of the session, and the second part of the session focused on artificial intelligence and its use in medical, in medical health care and that type of thing. Because I think it's important to understand that AI is something of the future, and currently it's being used optimally by many different professions at the moment, because it's like a support to the health professional. For example, diagnosis of radiology and radiological X-rays and that type of thing, and on cancers and many other mammograms. You find that it can even identify and diagnose. But obviously there's a balance between the health professional using that facility and using his knowledge. Another one was on the importance of using AI, artificial intelligence, in basically in women that have a problem with pregnancy. So effectively the men, 9% of the population have the problem conceiving, so sometimes it's a man's problem. So that when they have IVF, you can actually use AI to ensure that the right type of spermatozoa are being identified and used to fertilize an egg. And the last section was endoscopic use of endoscopes in middle ear disease as such. For example, children that have middle ear problems, and where they have hard of hearing and that type of. So now they use not just microscopic intervention, they're using endoscopic interventions. So these are things that I've been participating in this morning, and then there's been some sessions this afternoon as well. So there've been about four or five panel sessions. You have the 2 sessions on medical, then you have a student session, you have a spouses session, and that type of thing. Then there's been a large number of exhibitors as well here, and there's been a phenomenal support from sponsors, and there's been a phenomenal number of delegates registered. There's over 300 and some odd delegates that have been registered. So it's quite substantial, and it's been really successful.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khairan.
Jazakallah. Thanks for having me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.